Privilege and honor to participate in this solemn occasion when we install our new Commissioner General of our Prison Service. My congratulations to you, Commissioner General Mwiti, for this very well-deserved appointment as Commissioner General in a career that has seen you put many years behind the prison service. I am persuaded and confident that the responsibilities that have been assigned to you as Commissioner General by virtue of this appointment are merited, and the prison service is looking forward to your leadership as you lead the prisons team in making sure that our correctional services are managed appropriately in the best interests of the country. And the reform process that is going on at the prisons will be undertaken under your watch and stewardship. And I want to pledge and commit my support and that of the entire government to you and the prison service as you undertake the great transformation that we want of the prisons service. We have a big program that is being undertaken by the prisons on tree planting. I will be very keen to see what the service is going to do by way of contribution to this very important national program. As you're also aware, we have a whole food production process where prisons is involved. You already know that a few thousand acres of land under the prisons are now under food production. It is my expectation of you to make sure that every arable piece of land under the prison service is put under food production for purposes of supplying food to the prison service and by extension to the country. You're also aware that we're undertaking a huge program on ensuring that our prison service have decent housing. We will be working with you and your team to identify the areas, to work with the State Department of Housing to ensure that our prison officers, men and women, live in decent housing across the country. And again, I will be expecting of you to provide the leadership and stewardship in that area so that we can accelerate the housing program of our prison men and women. As a commitment that I made to our men in uniform, from this month, we will be living up to our commitment to enhance the salaries of our prison officers in line with our commitment that we made. So you come into office with good tidings for the men in the prison service, because this month they will have their first installment of increment of salaries together with the other security agencies as a commitment I made last year. Again, Mr. Commissioner, that puts on your shoulders a heavy responsibility of greater expectation of both the country and myself, of your service, and of course of all the other government agencies, services and departments. Again, from me, congratulations, my very best wishes. And as I have said, I look forward to working with you in making sure that our prison service move to the next level. Asante sana, pongezi, and thank you to your family. I know they are here for the support they have given you in the service you have given to the nation. Asante sana. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. With your kind permission, I'll request that we